Good morning, everyone present here. Shiza, do you feel it?
Feel what, Hafa?
This heartbeat, this pulse in the air, the sounds of footsteps, laughter, the dreams rushing to one name, the Kirat.
Yes, it's that magical time again when talent takes the stage, when creativity finds its wings, when every corner of our campus hums with the rhythm of celebration.
The stage is set, the lights are waiting, and the spotlight, like a heartbeat, hums with the rhythm of celebration.
And who better to welcome you all than us?
Absolutely, I'm Hafa.
And I'm Shiza.
And together we welcome you to the Kirat Kalolsavam, Presento 2K25. Art is not what you see, it's what you make others feel. Art speaks when words fall silent. It breathes life into still, paints emotion in ordinary, and turns hearts into masterpiece.
And today, my dear, that art is alive. In every dancer's rhythm, every singer's note, every actor's breath, the air itself seemed to shimmer with imagination.
Absolutely, I can feel it. That quiet thrill before the applause, the spark before the storm, the sacred silence before the first step. Yes, this is the spirit of the Kirat.
The wait is over, the stage has awakened. Dreams are ready to take flight because the rhythm of the Kirat Kalolsavam 2025 has risen into one grand, unforgettable crescendo.
A festival that celebrates spirit, a carnival that paints color, a journey with talent, courage, passion meet destiny.
Here every note is a heartbeat, every dance a story untold, every act a whisper from the soul.
This stage is not wood and light. This is heartbeat, a living pulse of art, courage and unity.
Crescento 2025 is not merely an event. It's a call to every dreamer who ever dared to believe.
Now I welcome our chief guest Yahya Talangara sir, the Kiratul Ukra Sangam president, general secretary T.A. Shafi sir, school manager M.A. Latif sir, Abdullah Hamid al vice president of the Kiratul Ukra Sangam, Rauf Pallikal sir, joint secretary of the Kiratul Ukra Sangam. Dear teachers, parents, fellow friends, teaching and non-teaching staffs, welcome to these 3 days of brilliant celebration and rhythm.
Crescento 2025 brings together a kaleidoscope of events. Music that soars, dance that speaks, art that breathes, and words that move hearts.
Our theme, Harmony in Diversity, celebrates who we are. Different notes, one melody. Different colors, one canvas. Different voices, one heartbeat. The Kirat!
You know, Hafa, every Kalolsavam carries a story of sleepless night and tireless rehearsals, of laughter and friendship, of trembling hands holding on to courage.
Because talent is not comfort, it's effort, polished in patience, perfected in passion.
And today, every performer who steps on the stage is not just performing. They are becoming art, emotion and inspiration.
Let's not watch today. Let's feel. Let the rhythm moves us. Let the colors surround us. Let the spirit of Crescendo 2K25 awaken something we deep in.
Because art doesn't divide, it unites, it transcends language, it time and boundaries. It connects every soul under one glowing sky of creativity.
And when lights fades and applause falls silent, what remains will not be trophies or titles, but the feeling, the fire, the emotion of the Kirat.
To every performer who dares shine, to every teacher who guides unseen, to every heartbeat, for art, this moment, this festival, this magic is yours.
Let's celebrate talent that speaks louder than words.
Let's celebrate art that touches every soul.
Let's celebrate the unity, the pride, the fire of the Kirat.
So with hearts full of pride and eyes full of wonder,
let the lights blaze, let the rhythm rise, let the celebration begin.
Good morning. Healthy food, healthy food. Who are you? Healthy food, healthy food. Who are you? I am the one that's good for you. I am the one that's good for you. I make you grow KGB. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, big fat gorilla washing his clothes. Rabba dabba here, rabba dabba there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 boom. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 boom. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 boom. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, Sitari snake washing his clothes. Rabba dabba here, rabba dabba there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 snap. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie boogie. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie boogie. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, big big crocodile washing his clothes. Rabba dabba here, rabba dabba there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 snap. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 snap. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 snap. That's the way he was. Thank you. Good morning, Amina. Good morning, Fatima. Today I am very happy. Me too. You know why? Yes, today is our color show. Our school looks so colorful. Of course, I see balloon, flowers, decoration everywhere. What are you going to do today? I will sing. What about you? I will dance. You know what most beautiful than our color show? What? That's our friends. Shall we sing a happy song for everyone? Yeah, sure. Friends, 1, 2, 3, good friends are you and me. We share toys, we share smile, we help each other all the while. Friends, 1, 2, 3, good friends are you and me. Thank you.